Okay, so bring out the big guns, strap her down. Actually, other side. Jeez. Whew. Well, if that's any indication of the rest of this, is going to be a shit job. But it's also kind of rite of passage for any Z owner. Just don't lose it. Just switcheroo. Something that weighs 8 tons. That's not good. Not gonna get any leverage on that one. Once again, loosen it while on the car. Good idea. Hey, that worked way better. Or do it like that, one or the other. Okay, since I know I'm not using this again, I'm just going to do a little pound and see if I can get it to come out just a little bit. We're going to try the way I was actually doing it with this other one. Okay, so I have a bunch of washers. I cut 3 of them. I have 2 smaller ones. Okay, so hopefully this will come back off and I didn't ruin the threads. Perfect. Okay. 17mm. Back you out. Okay. So because we have movement, that fits right over that. So I just went down to a local hardware store. I took a, can't remember if it was a socket. I just measured this gap, and then obviously took these, and then I made these so they fit over that. I gotta do 3 of them, and we'll go double them up. And take you, and put you on the hill, like so. Make sure those are all still lined up. Okay. If we turn whoa. We're going back to this method. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna have to cut it. Damn it. Okay. So I'm gonna try and start it with
got me falling right back. When you say it like that, let me fuck you right back. Got me falling right back. Get in the door, silent walk was the first to speak. Speaking like a real freak. Voice in my head, in my bed, filled with you instead. Taking your time, work my mind, and I'll play with you. And play pretend it's all true. Follow me down, listen round to the deep dark sound. Don't tell me, babe,
sounds like the end of it. I think it's time for a water break. Water in. Boom. And boom. Alright, so this is why, take these off. I did it with the handsaw, the hacksaw this time. It's because both these are intact on this one. And this one that I did with the Sawzall. Yep. There. I've already pressed the bearings out in this one. But I got it a little bit with this side's okay. You can see right here, got a little bit with the Sawzall. So I just wanted to avoid doing that. This one's already prepped for paint. All the bushings are off it. Gotta clean these out before I paint it. And we'll do that. But tonight, I think that is going to call it a night.